Okay, so our node has finished with the fast sync. Here's the fast sync, the Dero fast sync that we did, and it completely finished. All our numbers are green, which means that this is completely up to date. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're just going to terminate this. You can hit the red button here, and it'll ask you if you want to terminate. You say yes, terminate, and then we're just going to reopen. But instead of reopening the node with this code, we're going to go to step 2. And this code is this is the one you'll always use for now on. Okay, so this one was just used just to get your node on your machine. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take this node here, this one, this command, and put in your IP, and then the colon 10102 just that stays there. But you just put your IP right there where it says, right there where mine is, or where it says your IP address. Okay, like this one says your IP address. Okay, so you put your IP there, and then we're going to reopen the node, and then you can just leave this node running on your machine if you want, and if you don't want, every time that you come back, you'll have to catch up. So if you leave it for a week, it might take a long time to catch up, but it will catch up. But here's how you do it. You take this code, you go back to your folder, you open up the node, you see here the node, and then the alias that we had made earlier. So it's just the same thing we did earlier. You open it, and you paste that new code in there with your IP, and now that will run the node. Okay, now you can see we have Dero, the new code here with the IP, and this is the one we're always going to run. And now it's already caught up because it was already caught up. So this is the node you run for now on. So you can just put that in the background, just let it go down to your dock bar there, and let it run all the time. Okay, now we're going to set up a wallet. So we're going to go to our wallet folder. We're going to go to the alias that we made earlier. Okay, we're going to right click on it, go down to new terminal in that folder. That pops open a new folder. Even though our node is down here running, this pops up a new folder. And we'll make that a little bigger. And we're going to go back now to step 3. Step 3 is for the wallet. Now what we're actually going to do is we're going to take this code here, and we're going to create a wallet in this new window that we just opened up. Okay, so paste the code and let it run. Now, because this IP address is the same as the IP address we have running on our node, they're going to connect. It's that simple. All right. Now this is a wallet setup. So our node is running down here. We're not worried about it. Just let it run. Open new or open an existing wallet, which we could do, but we're going to create a new one here first. Okay. Okay, so we're going to choose create a new wallet, which is number 2 here. So you just type in a 2, and you see it, and then you hit return. All right, now it says name your wallet. We're going to call it Dero Test. Oops. Test. And then we're going to hit return, and it's going to ask for a password. Now earlier in my notes, I'd already set up this. So I'm going to use these two so I don't forget them. And then I'm going to use this new password. All right, and we're going to put in the password, and you can see it's 11 characters. And then enter, and it says confirm the password. So I'm just going to paste it back in there. And then it says, okay, English or whatever language, obviously English for us. And then it gives you your 25 keywords. Okay, these are your 25 very important keywords. Now normally, of course, you wouldn't let anybody see these, and you wouldn't copy them and paste them in any way on your computer. So you want to write these down on a piece of paper, and later you can grind them into a piece of metal or something with a kit you can buy online specifically for that. But what you do is these are 25 words. If you lose these words, your wallet's lost. So you want to do all this security first. And then I'm just going to paste them here. You're not going to do that because this is not a real wallet for me, but yours is going to be real. You want to protect these words and never put them on the computer. So in other words, once you copy them off of here, you should never have them on a computer again. Okay, this is secure, but you want to get them off of here, write them down on a piece of paper, and then put them on metal later. Keep them safe somehow. All right. So I got those words. I have my password. And so now I need a wallet. And so it'll say right here, number one, display the account address. That's the account for these keywords. We're going to do that. But let's go to number 4 first. Number 4, account registration to blockchain registration. Okay, so you just click 4 because this account hasn't been put on the blockchain yet, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to register it. So we're going to click 4. Now you already wrote your words down, and then you will see it displays this wallet right here, and it's actually registering this wallet right now. But I'm going to copy this wallet. Now this is public. This you can give away to your friends to send you money. This you can give this to anybody you want to send money to this account with these words. Now this account with these words are also currently on your computer called Dero test with this password that we created. But only on this computer does Dero test and these passwords work. If you go to another computer, you would have to use these words right here as to log in. Okay, and you would do that by instead of starting like we did, create. You would say you would click 3, recover wallet using recovery seed, and then you would take these seeds and put it in when it tells you to. It'll say, okay, create the name of a wallet. You can create a name of the wallet. It can be any name at that point because you're reusing your words. You just follow the directions. It's just very simple as we just did. Now what's happening now is this is going to register this wallet to these keywords on the blockchain of Dero. And what you're going to do is you're going to save that um, uh, somewhere. You don't have to. I mean, you can get it again later because as long as you have access to this wallet, you can get this address. All right. So basically, I have the keywords, which is really the wallet, the address that sends money to the wallet, and this is a shortcut to it. So you can use test and test as long as it's on your computer. All right. Now we are going to wait for this registration. It says it'll take a few minutes. It might. We'll see what happens. Okay, so it says it finished. It said this will take a couple minutes, and then it did. And then it says registered dispatch successfully. As long as it says that, you're good. If it says it didn't do it, you have to redo it. Sometimes it'll do that. All right, now you can see here is our address has $0 in it, $0. Okay, and so then right now you can I think you can just click return. Yeah. Okay. So now you can do what you want. So number 1, we're going to just pick one just to and return, and then you can see this is the same address that we just registered. It's registered to these keywords, and you can quick access it through your username, Dero test, and your password. But the real wallet is these keys. Can't explain it enough, I guess. So now, if we want, we can display the seeds. Just push 2 and it'll show you those seeds again. These are all the commands. You just go through here. Display this wallet pool. Some of these I don't know or won't use. Transfer or send, number 5. If I want to send money to another person with Dero, I would just push 5. I'm not going to do it, but I'll go ahead. Well, it says do enter. Click enter first. And then I can transfer money to Dero to another wallet, which is very simple. You just follow the directions. So you push 5, and then it'll say put in your password, which in our case is Dero test 1, 2, 3. And then it says put in the address where you want to send the money. So it won't be this address, but it'll be something similar to that. And you just paste it in there, boom, and then you send the money to that wallet. You just follow the directions, okay? Now, we're not going to do that right now because it's pretty simple, and you should be able to figure that out. So what we're going to do now is we are already hooked up. Our wallet is hooked up to the node and everything. There is one other thing that I could do here. Let me do this here. Yeah, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and do this step 4 on the next video. And then I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do this on a remote server, which the tech guys don't recommend it, but it is an option. And so I can throw that on video 4. But what I want to do right now is I want to do this step 4, which is hook up an extension to the browser and then hook up your wallet and your node to that extension. So you can do NFTs and all that kind of thing all within this system. Now the way I'm showing you right now, these first 3 videos, is going to be, according to the tech guys, the best way to do it. It's the most secure because you have your own node. It's running on your IP and your address on your IP and everything. Okay, so we'll go ahead and wrap this one up. And one more thing I could do is just show you how you would log back in every time, which is fairly simple, as you would probably have guessed it already. But so we'll just terminate this. Now, when you want your node is still running on this command right here. It's on your server, it's on your computer, it's on your IP address, and it's sitting here running in the background on your computer. However, you can leave it running all the time. Then that's on this code here. All right, so now we're going to take this wallet code. Well, you could do this whole wallet code here if you want to do the NFTs as well. So we'll just go ahead and open it this way, and then I'll show you on the next video what this means. But this is just the wallet without the NFTs. So as you can see, it's the same thing with this little add-on. This right here has just been added on. So we're going to reopen our wallet with this code. All right, and here we go. Copy that. Go back to our Dero wallet, and we do the alias, open, new terminal. I'm going to make that bigger so you can see it. And then paste our code, and we just enter right back into where we can open our wallet. Now you see here, we're on our wallet, our everything, okay? Number 1, open existing wallet, okay? Boom. And then what is the name of our wallet? Dero test. Oops. Dero test. And then what's our password? If I forgot it, I can just go over here and copy it. Now you wouldn't do this normally. This is just for the, normally I'll have my password somewhere safe, but I'm doing this on a video. Okay, so now I'm going to paste that in. This time I only have to put it in once because the wallet is already created. Now if I want to check to see if this is my wallet, first of all I can see my number, but also just click 1. So if you have more than one wallet, you can have many wallets. You click 1, and then you can verify what address you are sending to. And if you're not sure if what the keys are, you can display the seeds right here. Okay, and in this case we could go ahead and do that. We'll press enter, and then we'll go ahead and do 2. Display the seeds 2. Now got to put in the password, and then it gives you the same words, see, that we just had earlier. See, the same words, and like the last 3 pager obey, and that's what we got going here now. Okay, pager obey. All right, those are the same words that go to this wallet. So you know this wallet is different than another wallet. You can create as many as you want. All right, push enter. Now I'm going to exit the wallet, so I'm going to 0, and then I'm exiting the wallet, and then I'm going to terminate that. So that's how you do it. Well, actually, I can just leave this open for the next. Now I'm going to go ahead and close it, and I will reopen it with this code on the next video to show you the extensions.